Hi, today I'm gonna talk about Weber. Social action in specificity. Max Weber is one of the classical thinkers of sociology who started writing when sociology was developing as a science. He provided a subject matter to sociology. For him, the most important question was, what is sociology? He made both methodological and theoretical contributions in the field of sociology. So, methodological contribution of his concept of sociology, Verstehen and ideal type explanation of methodological issues in sociology. According to Weber, sociology is a science which attempts interpretative understanding of social action in order thereby to arrive at a causal explanation of its course and effects. According to Weber, action can be in any form. Action is that behavior which is initiated with an end in view. It is a voluntary behavior. Thus, any activity of an individual like singing, laughing, studying, any activity can be called his action. But man, being a social being, does his actions in a social context. The actions of an individual done in an social context are termed social action. Weber writes, action is social in so far as, by virtue of the subjective meaning attached to it by the acting individual, it takes account of the behavior of others and is thereby oriented in its course. Now the question arises, what is social action? According to Weber, every action cannot be social action. An action is social when it involves two or more people, when it is meaningful act, and the action should have the capability to influence other. Other cannot be God. Types of social action. Social action are rational social action and non-rational social action. In rational social action, there are two types of actions: Zweig rational social action and Wirth rational social action. And in non-rational social action too, there are two types of action: traditional action and effective action. Rational social action, if forms the base of the modern society, it is based on logic. The goals, ends, objectives, or means, instruments in rational action are well defined. Rational action has two types: Zweig rational social action and Wirth rational social. In Zweig rational social action, goals and means are well defined. In this, the actor knows his goals and so the means are also well defined. It is also known as goal oriented rational action or instrumental action. Here, the instruments means play an important role. The means depends on goals. The best possible means are used to achieve the goals. The capitalist society is the best example of such kind of action. Now, Wirth rational social action. These are actions in relation to a value. Their values are more important. Therefore, they are also known as value oriented rational action. Here means are chosen for their efficiency, but ends are determined by values. The means depend on the values. Example, Gandhiji's political action like the Satyagraha movement or the non-violence movement. Non-rational social action are illogical. The goals and means are not clear, but they are social because they focus on the dynamic action of the society. They are performed so as to maintain the structure of the society. Non-rational social actions are also of two kinds. The first one is traditional action. They are not influenced by well-defined means or goals. Rather, they are that actions which are influenced by customs, traditions, or rituals. Its objective is to maintain the social structure or order. Example, all the religious actions and the rituals that are performed in the house to maintain the order of the house. The second one is affective or emotional actions. Here, emotions are impulse, determine the ends and means of action. They are intense emotional actions like love, hatred, or anger. Its goal and means are well defined. They are also psychological actions. They fall on the borderline, that is, they may be social or they may be psychological. For Weber, social action is the subject matter of sociology. The modern rational society, the society after the French and Industrial Revolution, was the center of his study. To study the subject matter of social action, Weber used the Verstehen approach, which means interpretative understanding. When a social action has a mutual action reaction, it becomes social interactions. Thank you so much. Hope you all are well. Stay home, stay safe.